Vlog warning. Vlog warning.
Copyrighted music right now.
What's good, man? This thing is so nice and clean, yo. Oh boy, this man's got big balls. You good? You good? You're good, you're good. You're good. Coming in was a lot easier than going out. You had hella more clearance going in.
It's because I come in at a pretty aggressive angle.
Yeah.
When I pull out, I don't really have enough space to go at that angle.
Yeah. I'm actually excited, man. It's not even my car and I'm excited. It's first time working with a Rocket Bunny 240. That's tight. That's tight. Get to see the master at work in person.
It's my first time, so I wouldn't really say I'm a master at body kits.
It looks good to me. It's gonna look good on pictures.
Good enough, my opinion. Probably not to other bodywork guys though.
Nah, we're not gonna talk about those guys.
I have Ryan here to perfect my aim.
Your car becomes too low. This is all you get.
And we have it on ramps too, 1.5 inch lift.
This is gonna take forever.
It's getting there, it's getting easier a little bit.
Oh, by the way, that's Christian. He's someone I recently met since moving here, and he's been helping me out, showing me around, and let me help him with his S13. So until I can get my Z out here, this is what we're gonna be filming. This, and probably the short Miata out there.
Oh, roughing it. Get ready. Okay.
Tight. Man, this thing is nice. Problem. I'm being blocked off by a whole bunch of metal.
Yeah, so I'm trying to drill the top holes. And I'm using a traditional like nut and bolt. So
Yeah.
not rivets or riv nuts. And there's a wiring heat shield here, which will prevent access to actually putting the nuts there. So I'm trying to figure out how I can get a nut there.
Everything in the comments is gonna say riv nuts.
Without taking the fender off. That would be a lot to take the fenders off right now.
Yeah, this is taking a lot longer than expected because things are blocking. But it's looking so good. So far today, you broke 2 bits and 1 got dull. For a parts run!
I might have more drill bits in here. Somewhere in here. One of these drawers.
Why do you have so much tools?
My dad's tools. Dad's a carpenter and I'm a carpenter. So we got stuff.
Damn! Damn!
Alright, my life is in your hands right now.
Alright, let's get this Johnny out. Oh! Go, go, go. You're good? Oh. Angle it? Can you angle it? Dude, that's your car! That's your car! Yo, that's tight. Kind of making me wish I wide-bodied my Z, but at the same time, the car's already fat.
Okay, this is pretty exciting. I think we're gonna go with white for the color because I don't know. I really do like white cars. It's hard to imagine now, but imagine the car with the gray bash bar, which is on the back of the rear end, a black carbon hood, and a carbon wing, and probably gunmetal or silver wheels. So I think the white would look better than the red. I mean, you can't really go wrong. But I think I want to change it up and go white because I have my Miata's red too. kind of dark red, purple.
You own a Rocket Bunny car that you did yourself.
Yeah, there's honestly not that many Rocket Bunny installs on YouTube. Like there's T-Day Hunt and there's B's for Build, but I guess there's not a 240 specific one, so I hope to be the first more detailed 240SX Rocket Bunny install. I plan to go over everything that I've done, how everything is held onto the car and stuff. Should be done in a couple weeks.
Alright, by done, he's talking about full too. Hopefully by his birthday.
Unless someone convinces me to wrap it in the next couple days. Because there have been a couple people telling me to do it.
But are you gonna wrap it yourself or are you gonna have someone else wrap it?
Yeah.
Hell
I
yeah!
already wrapped the NA Miata.
Hell yeah!
That Miata was wrapped in Dad's garage.
Hell yeah! Dude, let's wrap it.
I need to add my interior back as well.
Plug.
Yes.